Hello, my name is Kevin. I'm a lawyer with 15 years of experience, and today I will tell you what to do if you fail a Carco Group background check. Carco Group is recognized as a leader in providing background investigation services, ensuring a comprehensive analysis of candidates' histories for corporate clients. Specializing in a detailed examination of applicants' personal and professional history, including criminal record, education verification, and previous employment verification. This process helps companies minimize risks when hiring new employees, ensuring safety and compliance with corporate standards and regulatory requirements. The Carco background check process is regarded as one of the most serious and thorough in the market. It includes not just the verification of information provided by the candidate, but also an independent search of various databases and sources. This ensures high accuracy of reports, crucial for companies striving to maintain a high level of professionalism and security. How long does Carco background check take? Clients and candidates often inquire about the turnaround time for a Carco background check, seeking to understand the time frame within which their request will be processed. Here are the key points to know. General timeline. On average, a Carco background check takes from several days to 1 week. However, depending on the specific requirements and scope of the check, these timelines can extend. Factors influencing the check time include the volume of information requested, complexity of the criminal record search, and verification of education and previous employment. Checking your Carco background check status. Understanding the current status of your background check with Carco Group becomes crucial for efficiently planning your next steps. The process to track the Carco background check status is straightforward, allowing candidates and companies to stay informed about the progress. Here are simple steps to find out the current status. Visit Carco's official website. Start by visiting the official Carco Group website, where all necessary tools for status tracking are provided. Log into your account. Access your background check status by logging into your account on the Carco site using unique credentials received during the registration of the check process. Search for the status section. Once logged in, find the section responsible for tracking Carco background check status. This section is often titled intuitively, such as Check Status or Your Check Status. Enter check information. You may need to enter specific details, such as your application number or other identifiers, to accurately determine the status of your check. View the status of your check. After entering the necessary information, the system will provide you with the current status of your background check. The information may range from in process to completed and may include preliminary results or the need for further action from the candidate. Steps for addressing issues with your background check. Facing surprises or delays in the background check process, it's important to know what steps you can take on your own to expedite the process or resolve arising questions. Here's a detailed guide to help you navigate the process and minimize potential issues. Verify the information you provided. Ensure all information provided for the background check is accurate and complete. Mistakes or omissions can significantly slow down the process. Communication with previous employers and educational institutions. Confirm that contact details for your previous employers and educational institutions are up to date and that they are ready to provide necessary information about you. Prepare supporting documents. Collect all documents that might be required to verify information about your education, work history, identification, and residency. These could include diplomas, certificates, workbooks, passports, and documents proving your address. Reach out to Carco Group. If you have questions about the background check process or wish to know your Carco background check status, do not hesitate to contact Carco Group's support service for clarification. Utilize your rights under FCRA. If the results of the background check seem erroneous or unfair, exercise your right to dispute the information according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA. This includes the right to request a copy of your background check and the right to formally dispute any incorrect information. Consult with legal advisors. In case of difficulties or if you believe your rights have been violated during the background check process, consider consulting with a lawyer specializing in FCRA rights. Our legal firm is ready to provide you with the necessary support and advice. Following this step-by-step guide, you can efficiently navigate the background check process and promptly resolve any arising issues, minimizing potential delays and inconveniences. Success stories: how we helped clients with background check issues. Below are success stories where our legal firm was able to provide invaluable support. Casper, mistake in criminal history. Problem. Casper's background report erroneously included criminal history information that actually belonged to someone else. Solution. We assisted Casper in submitting a request for review of the background check results to Carco Group, providing necessary evidence of his non-involvement. The error was corrected, allowing Casper to secure the desired position. Lynette, delay in education verification. Problem. Lynette's education verification was delayed due to processing lags at her university. Solution. Our team actively interacted with the educational institution to expedite the verification process of her diploma, significantly reducing the waiting time. Tobias, incorrect information on previous employment. Problem. Tobias's background check contained incorrect details about his position and date of termination from his last job. Solution. We helped Tobias gather necessary documents, including the employment contract and reference letters, to validate his professional journey. After presenting these documents to Carco Group, the data was updated. Joanna, issues with credit history check. Problem. Joanna encountered an incorrect portrayal of her credit history due to an error in the credit report. Solution. We advised Joanna on how to correct errors through the credit bureau, ensuring her financial status was accurately represented in the background check report. Elton, discrepancy in drug test data. Problem. Elton was mistakenly accused of substance abuse based on misinterpreted test results. Solution. We organized retesting in a reliable laboratory and presented the new results to Carco Group, helping to resolve the misunderstanding. Contact us. We encourage anyone facing delays, errors, or any other issues during the background check process to seek professional help promptly. Our team of lawyers has the necessary experience and knowledge to effectively address the difficulties you may encounter. Remember, timely contacting specialists can not only help avoid potential problems, but also significantly speed up the process of achieving your goal. Contacting our lawyers is your first step towards successfully resolving any issues related to background checks. Our contact information is in the description. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and succeed.